9/15/2013. It's a Sunday. Tomorrow will be Monday. We have a great bull rally in our biotech. One of our two favorite picks is once again Celgene CELG in the weekly chart. Then of course we have Biogen BIIB is a symbol. We had shorted it twice and bought long twice off of these bottoms, and we had a great pullback here, and we're right back up here approaching 52-week highs again. So that 4-week rally in the biotech, which has led the broader nasdaq component, and Celgene made another 52-week high. And buying the dips, there were a couple of times that we shorted it in here, but we went net long because this thing's on fire. Biotech has been probably one of the best performers in all of the indexes. And I will just throw in here the index itself. One of the other things we're going to cover in here is the BIB Weekly Pro Shares Ultra Nasdaq Biotech. Now, the Celgene, the Amgens, various different ones such as Biogen that I've covered. Here's the Celgene. One of the things I want to show here is that this is a 52-week high in the Pro Shares, BIIB. And it too will have a correction, and we'll take a look at how to get net short using the following. The following that we're going to use is the put options. And we don't do this very often because this thing's been the best performer out here. But when we get extremely overbought, there's only one side of the trade. We're not going to buy up here at 52-week highs. What we will do is take a look, and we'll start looking at the October regular and short-term trade in the time series. And what we'll do is we'll go out to the, we'll start here with the put options, $128 put options on BIB, Ultra Nasdaq Biotech. It is one of the best ETFs at the 52-week highs. Once again, we'll go back to Biogen. We are covering that one at approaching a 52-week high, overbought. Amgen, AMGN, Amgen, which is approaching another 52-week high. It too is overbought on a weekly. So these overbought bull rally in the biotech are going to pull back, period. And it's short-term trade. It's in a time series element. So we'll use the right components. And it's been one of the best places to be. And long overdue. 2013 was the breakout. 2012, they were all set up for this big bull that has happened in our biotech, and new medicines coming to market. So once again, listen, every pullback that we can get a chance to get long, we're going to, but we're going to have to take it short on all of the overbought names in the biotech for a short-term pullback and a short-term trade. We would love to see a good pullback here to the 20-week moving average on Celgene, and we would love to see a nice pullback once again on Biogen, BIIB, to its 20-week moving average. The crossover of the 10-week versus the 20-week is very, very bullish. It's going to have lower support levels that will be tradable intraday on these names on an intraday level now. Okay, but the longer term part is that once those shorts start working at the high and we come down and test these, yeah, we can make probably $2 to $3 intraday on both of these names, all the ones that I've mentioned here. So once again, it's about trading, shorting the bull and buying the dip when they hit and pull back, as we've done all calendar year.